Now we've got an improper integral, right? Because the lower limit is a finite value, but the upper limit is infinity. And we've got an exponential and, in fact, an exponential decay function. We have an idea of what these functions look like, right? Exponential decay looks like this. So what we're going to try to do here is find the area, or we could be thinking of that, because it's a continuous non-negative function. We could be thinking we're going to get the area under this curve all the way out here to infinity. So we'll start by rewriting our integral in terms of a limit. So this is going to be the limit as b goes to infinity of the integral 0 to b of e to the negative 4x dx. This will give us the limit as b goes to infinity of, now remember how this exponential goes, we're integrating, so we get the function itself now divided by the exponent from 0 to b. I'll do it over here. This will be the limit as b goes to 0. I'm just going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to rewrite this as, I'm going to bring the negative up and this exponential down. So this is going to be negative 1 over 4e to the 4x. I don't really have to bring that e down, but I did. 0 to b. And now I'm going to get the limit as b goes to infinity of, okay, let's put in the upper limit. You get negative 1 over 4e to the 4b minus, okay, negative 1 over 4e to the 4 times 0. Now, what happens in this one right here? Well, as b gets bigger and bigger, right, as b gets bigger and bigger, 4b gets bigger and bigger, e to the bigger and bigger number gets even bigger. This is the bottom. This whole denominator here gets bigger and bigger, so the whole fraction goes to 0. So this first part here is just going to 0. What about the second part? Well, the second part, look what we have here. This is, you know what, I'm going to write that one out. This is going to be the limit as b goes to infinity of, all right, negative is positive, so we'll get 1 over 4. Now, what have you got here? 4 times 0 is 0. E to the 0 is just 1, right? 0. E to the 0 is a 1, so you just get 4 times 1, which is 4. So now we're going from, what, 0 to b, but there's no variables to substitute. This is just the limit of a constant. So we just end up here with 1/4. So in terms of area, we're saying that the area under this curve all the way out to infinity is 1/4 of a square unit.